Hello and welcome to the Galactic Racing Championships. This is the third race on Dino Island. We're here at the starting line. So they're off and racing with an early lead from Lewa. This is going to be an exciting race, I can tell. Past the dinosaur and into the pits. Around the corner. Going fast, that's got to be at least 90 miles per hour. A bit of action there. Now Lewa's going up the volcano. The inside of the volcano. Believe it or not. Ooh, that's gonna cost him. See, he's already lost his lead. And there he goes again. A bit more action from other racers there. Lewa trying to catch up. But that tracked vehicle is letting off an electric bomb, blowing some bricks off Lewa's car, which, well, if he loses too many, the car will be destroyed. There he goes again. A few more bricks blown off there. Ooh. Well, that's a first. Lewa running, because his car has been blown to bits. If he wants to win this race, he's gonna have to get to the pits quickly, get his car rebuilt, and then drive like mad. Yeah, drive like he's in a race, which he is, actually. Yes, you've got to drive very quickly now, otherwise he might lose the race. But he's fallen off the volcano again. So he's got to drive faster. Come on, Lewa, you can do this. Drive, buddy, drive. There he is, jumping off the plateau, driving around. I think he's coming last by the look of it. He's lost.